Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to check out some Madam Glam polish, their new neon gel collection. I don't have all of them, but they were kind enough to send me 4, and they also sent me gel polish remover and also some regular just soak off top gel that is not a no wipe. You have to wipe that, and you're going to get to see my toes. Ooh, told I have very sexy feet. And the design I'm going to do today, I stole from Gels and Gems Nails. Thanks, Ginger. Anyway, she gave me a little tip on how to do it, and I'll put a picture, her picture up here of what she did. Isn't it cool? She did a drag art, like a marble of neons that look like a psychedelic tie-dye. And here's a sample of what I'm going to do on my nails, and I just put a regular glitter hollow top coat on that because I just wanted some sparkle to it. And Madam Glam, come on, give me just a scattered hollow top coat, would you? Now, I went ahead and painted my right hand, and here are the colors. All right, the yellow thumb is actually Mimosa. And it's not really a neon, but they didn't have a yellow. And I attempted to order all the colors in the rest of the colors in this line, but it was sold out. There was only a couple I could get, and those are on order. One of them I had to get because it said it was called Because I Said So. This is the Super Mom collection. I also have aqua blue. There's not a blue in this collection. It's just a couple of purples, pinks, orange, and 2 greens. Really wanted that highlighter green, and it was sold out. But they do restock quite often, so just gonna have to keep checking back. All right, so I do have a couple of Madam Glams that are kind of comparable, but for sure, check out Gels and Gems Nails. I will put her link below. And also Beauty Bee Nails. She did an awesome job with the neons they sent her. Go check her out. Ginger does comparisons. She has tons. She has like almost every Madam Glam polish there is. And so she gets them and swatches them and compares them to the others that she has in the collection or in other collections, so that you can kind of see. So maybe you have this but not this. Which one do you really want? Do you really need them all? So she's fantastic about doing that. So this is Baby Nest, and it is a neon pink. All right, let me add that the polish remover, the gel polish remover, I'm going to do a separate video on that. So be watching for that, because I'm going to remove this with that, and I'm going to compare it with foils, and we're going to see. They're really nice. No streaking. Neons are bad about streaking. And I wished I put white underneath these, and I just typically, if it's neon, I put white undies on, and you do not need to with these. Look how opaque that is on a clear pop stick, mind you, with 1 coat. And this one is the Rule Maker. It's a little pinky purple, and I think the other one I ordered that was still in stock, Because I Said So, is more of a bright purple, a true purple. This is kind of a magenta, like, oh, it leans a little purple. And also, same thing. Look how opaque that is with 1 coat. Bahama Mama is safety orange, okay? My husband is a heavy equipment operator, so I know me some safety orange, and this is safety orange. Oh, you know, you guys let me down, I hope you know, because you didn't give, I know I had more than 500 views on the, where I did a basic mani on my husband, but I didn't get 500 likes, so therefore I couldn't paint his nails. But good gosh almighty, see, Go watch that video. I'll put the link up here. Get me to 500 likes. Don't even watch the video. Just flip on it and click like. Let's get my husband to let me paint his nails safety orange. Go to work with gel. Oh my gosh. All right, and the last one I have is Mother Nature. Now I really think that this one is really a neon green. When Ginger swatched them, it looked like a darker green on camera, but I don't know. I'm anxious to see if it's different with the white underneath it. I don't think it's going to be. It's pretty neon. It is a really nice neon green, but highlighter green is absolutely highlighter green. So when I get that, I'll show you that. All right, there they are on the swatch sticks with 2 coats and 1 top coat. Now what I have to compare to Bahama Mama is so hot. And compared side by side, So Hot is more of a coral orange, and Bahama Mama is just safety orange. It's bright orange. It's so pretty. The other pink I have is Pretty in Pink, and there it is next to Baby Nest. So completely different pinks. And there's Rule Maker. Baby Nest is just a brighter pink. I thought it was going to compare, but it just doesn't. All right, to make this faster, I'm actually going to show you on Pop Sticks how to do this design, and then I'll show you the final pictures on my nails. But I don't really, it's just going to be easier to show you on here than it will be on my nails. Because for one thing, I'm going to have to cook dinner soon, and trust me, I would rather starve to death at this point than cook another meal. Am I right? Amen, Guyleen. High five. Elbow tap. All right, I'll show you how I did this. And I think I'm gonna do, so these are painted white and these are not. I'm just gonna do it on the natural and see what it looks like. And I am gonna use Mimosa too. So I just painted a diagonal. Now you can do just like straight across stripes too. Maybe I'll do one like that too and see what it looks like. But I want to kind of make it look like a flower. And then the green. And then I think I'm going to use some of the blue, the aqua blue, which I accidentally ordered another of. I didn't know I had it already, and ordered another one, so I'm guessing that's going to be given away next month. The month of June is going to be a lot of giveaways, so be watching for the month of June. And then the Rule Maker. Baby Nest. And Bahama Mama. Now I went way too heavy with this polish, and I'm probably going to have to take some of it off. Then I'm going to take a really fine art brush. First I'm going to get those blended in a little bit because I don't have it to the edge, and you're doing your own nail, you don't want to flood your cuticle. So on a natural nail, that would be way too much polish probably. Alright, I'm just going to take it diagonally from this way first and just drag that down. Wipe my brush and do it across like 3 times, depending on how wide your nail is. And that looks really pretty anyway, but then I'm going to kind of go out because I want it to look a little bit like a flower leaf. Alright, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And there it is with no top coat. I think I'm going to take a little bit of black stamping polish and just a tiny little dotting tool and just put a few little dots down here just to make it look like a flower. Now I do have a 30% off code for Madam Glam, and it's just Skyline 30. But when you go to the site and it's the first time you buy, they give you a code for 40% off. And sometimes they have like 50% off sales, or if you join the VIP, you pay $30 a month and you use that $30 a month and get you get 50% off anything you buy and free shipping. So that is automatically deducted from your account, and then you just use that money for gels. So it's pretty cool. I also wanted to point out the fact that I put way too much polish on this one. It's like oozing on the sides, which is another reason it buckled and didn't cure completely, because I didn't cure it long enough and there was too much polish. So be careful of that when you paint your nails. Okay, so here are the ones that I did on the pop sticks. I really do like my first one best. And then I really like this one. This one I put a few dots on, makes it a little more looking like a flower. This one is like flames, but I also want to point out the fact that I absolutely undercured this one. You can see how it buckled. So if you ever have that happen, you have like, it looks like a bubble, but I also did not file these tips first and rough them up, so the gel doesn't want to stick that great to them. But I definitely undercured that, so it bubbled and did that funky stuff. And that's the reason that happens if you ever have that happen. All right, so between filming, cooking dinner for the 100 millionth time, and when I was able to actually do my nails and start up again, I received my order from Madam Glam, where I tried to get the rest of the neons that weren't sent to me. I was sent 4, and I believe there's 8. A couple of them I really didn't think I needed just because, but I'll put a picture of all of them here. So I absolutely knew I had to have, because I said so, and it is a darker purple. Here are the 3 of them together. I'll put the 3 swatches together that are kind of pinkish. I mean, I just feel like some of them are too close together for me to actually absolutely need. I absolutely do need the highlighter green. I do want to get that one as soon as I can, as soon as they're available. They are sold out at the moment. Oh, I didn't top coat. Oh, I didn't wipe that. Okay, so here is Baby Nest, Roll Maker, and Because I Said So, all together. Okay, so here's another one I got. It is Earth Day Every Day, and I put Earth Day Day because, you know, Merca. This is 2 coats of Earth Day Every Day. And you can see it's a beautiful hollow, or maybe you can't. It probably looks more just silver on camera. Turn it really slow. You can probably see. It is a silvery hollow. It's really, really pretty. So I, on a palette, put a couple of drops of just clear top coat. And a little smear of the Earth Day Everyday. And just mixed it up a little bit so that it was more of a scattered. And that's what I applied over the top of all of them. This is the Because I Said So. And I used all the neon looking colors that I have to do these. And I really like them. Thank you, Ginger, for the fantastic idea. I can't wait to show this and do it on a couple clients. I am not going to want to take these off because these are so pretty. I really love this. All right, thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I absolutely always answer all questions. Check out Ginger and Beauty Bee Nails. Also, Princess Nails by Dianna. She is such a good supporter and such a sweet person, and her videos are amazing too. She does beautiful work, and she's just almost always the first commenter, and I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys being here for me and supporting me and watching my videos and commenting. And as promised, my toes. So I did a version of it on my big toes, and I thought they turned out really cute. I love these colors. Thanks, Madam Glam. Want some whipped cream? Augie. Here, Augie. She's got it on her back. He's trying to eat it off her back. Here. No.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.